7 Action News reporter Jennifer Ann Wilson spoke with Hackle about what he thinks should be done so seniors don't get lost in the shuffle.
Macomb County did receive more vaccines this week, and they're grateful, but still it just barely scratches the surface of being able to address the large number of people currently eligible. Mark Hackle is calling on the state to roll it back.
True leadership is realizing we're not going down the right path.
Macomb County Executive Mark Hackle says seniors are getting left behind, and he's challenging state leaders to change course.
This is not just Macomb County, it's statewide. Everybody's having the same problem. There's not a supply.
Macomb received their largest shipment of vaccines yet, over 7,000 doses this week, but they have more than 150,000 people over the age of 65 competing for vaccines, with thousands in other categories deemed eligible by the state. Many seniors can't get appointments.
Keep calling, emailing, texting. I see them in public, and I got to continuously explain to them this problem that we're facing right now, and they just don't understand it. And quite frankly, neither do I.
Hackle wants the state to follow CDC guidelines focusing on the most vulnerable, those 75 and older. With the demand being so much greater than the supply, he says it's led to chaos and frustration.
The state kept talking about how there was no national strategy before. And now if you look across the state, Detroit's doing something different. They're doing postal workers. Wayne County is now doing, just an allotment just specifically for teachers.
This week's online vaccination appointments filled up in about 15 minutes. Hackle says thousands of frustrated calls and emails are flooding the health department from people told they're eligible but not able to get an appointment.
They don't take one phone call, not for one person, to get vaccinated. So they don't truly understand the dilemma they have created for health departments around the state. If they opened it up and said, hey, we're going to start taking phone calls, we're going to start giving a phone number for people and or a website access, then they would truly understand what they just did to health departments around the state and the challenge they created for seniors here in the state as well.
County leaders I've spoken to throughout Metro Detroit just want you to know they're doing the best they can with the vaccines they're receiving. I'm Jennifer Ann Wilson, 7 Action News.
Meantime,